أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
I make sure that I go out of my way to protect his image, his dignity behind his back. I will not talk bad about him. I make sure that I talk good about him behind his back. That is when I have fulfilled the right of that greeting. I have fulfilled it. The problem we have today, and wallahi, it's all over the world, people will greet you, Assalamu alaikum, my brother. As soon as you leave, they say, that man is not a good man. That man did this, that man did that, that man is an alcoholic. You want to help him, stop telling the world what he did. Make a difference by telling him, or by praying for him, or by positively contributing towards the solution, rather than talking behind his back. If you have a problem with me, you don't need to go to the whole world and inform the whole world, because that makes you not a good Muslim. A true Muslim, the right of the other Muslims upon him is that when he hears or sees something bad from him, number one, he prays for him. He makes a dua for him. That's the feeling. You have a right over me. If I see you do something bad, I need to make dua for you. Oh Allah, help that man. Not only is he a human being, but over and above that, he is my brother in faith. My brother in faith. So I make dua, I pray. Number one. Number two is, I come to you, my brother. You know, I saw something and I'd like to bring it to your attention. I believe, what am I doing? It is my right that I speak correctly with the best words to my brothers and sisters. Choose the best words. If Allah says in the Quran, "Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal maw'izatil hasanah wajadilhum billati hiya ahsan." When you are calling towards Allah, when you are calling the people of the book towards Allah, when you are calling people towards Islam, call with lots of wisdom and with the best speech, with the best reminders. And even if you are arguing or debating, make sure that you have used the best and most effective words. This is when I am speaking to the non-Muslims. What about when I am speaking to my brother in faith? Don't you think it is much more important to use beautiful words, my brothers and sisters? So it is absolutely important for me to use the best words when I speak to you or about you. That is a duty. If I don't fulfill that, I have not fulfilled my duty as a Muslim upon the rest.
MessageTv. This is your channel.
This is your channel.